In the world of investing, we're seeing a notable divergence right now. Sentiment has spiked to plus 0.82, while momentum lingers in negative territory at minus 0.23. This suggests that while investors feel optimistic, the current buying pressure isn't following suit. With 20 semantic clusters feeding into this analysis, you're getting a nuanced view of market sentiment that goes beyond surface-level data. Our API returns comprehensive sentiment insights, enabling you to track and analyze shifts in investor behavior in real time. Imagine using this data to inform your algorithmic trading strategies, where you can capitalize on sentiment-driven price movements before they materialize into trends. For more on how to leverage this powerful sentiment data, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build smarter together.